Hi kids, welcome, welcome. Come with me to the sweetest place you'll ever see. The candy factory full of fun. Let's count candies one by one. One candy pop shining bright, red and yummy, what a delight. Two jelly beans bouncing high, green and yellow, oh my, oh my. Three chocolate bars, chunky and sweet, snap and crackle, what a treat. Four cupcakes with swirly tops, sprinkles falling never stops. Five candy canes, twisty and long, red and white stripes sing a song. Six donuts rolling round and round, chocolate glaze falls to the ground. Seven lollies in rainbow hues, pick your favorite, what will you choose? Eight candy drops, tiny and sweet, tap them together, a tippy-tap beat. Nine marshmallows, fluffy and light, puff, they float like kites in flight. 10 gummy bears dancing in a line, wiggle, jiggle, feeling fine.